I welcome you all for the lecture series on metrology. Now we'll start module number 12, lecture number 4. In this lecture, we will be covering in-process gauging and control, which includes introduction to the in-process gauging and how the in-process gauging systems are classified, and then we will discuss about the working principles of various gauging systems, in which we will be studying about mechanical gauging systems, digital systems, pneumatic systems, inline probing, and electro-pneumatic system and measurement during transit. Finally, we will be discussing about the various benefits that can be obtained by in-process gauging. Now let us try to understand what is the meaning of in-process gauging and control. In-process gauging, in other words, it's also known as auto-sizing. It means inspecting the dimension of the workpiece while machining itself. See, in the normal process, what we do, the workpiece is machined, and the machine is stopped to check whether the correct size is achieved or not. That means if you take the example of a turning process, after giving a few cuts, the operator will stop the machine, he will stop the rotation of the workpiece, then he will take the appropriate instrument like micrometer or vernier caliper, and then he will check what is the diameter that is obtained. If the size is okay, then he will remove the workpiece and he will put new raw material. If the size obtained is not to the correct extent, or if there is extra material, again he will start the machine and he will give a few more cuts. So in the process, a lot of time is wasted, and the cycle time will increase. So to avoid the unnecessary time, that is non-productive time, and the effort of the manpower used in conventional inspection process, this in-process gauging is used. It helps in getting higher productivity. The goal of the in-process gauging is to remove variation from the process. See, in the conventional inspection process, the size of the workpiece may vary from workpiece to workpiece, whereas in the case of in-process gauging, that variation can be minimized. Now, these in-process gauging systems are classified as given below. In-process gauging systems for grinding machines, including external gauges for external grinding machines, gauges for internal grinding, and gauges for centerless grinding process. And the gauges for turning process are also available, and gauges for honing process are also available. Now let us study the in-process gauges for grinding operation. So this picture shows a mechanical swinging lever. This is the grinding wheel, and we have the workpiece which is rotating. Both are rotating in the proper direction, and there is a pivot which carries this lever. When the correct size is attained by the workpiece, the contact lever will swing to the position shown by the dashed line. So this is the initial condition of the swinging lever. When the correct size is reached, the lever will swing to the position shown by this dashed line, and when it swings, it makes electrical contact at this place. This contact will move and it makes a contact which causes the wheel head to move away from the workpiece. That's how the when the workpiece attains the correct size, the wheel head moves back and the machining process stops. Now this diagram shows another system wherein there is a mechanical lever with indicating the system. This is the grinding wheel and this is the job which is to be ground, and there is a probe or stylus which is in contact with the rotating workpiece, and there is a hinge, and we have this lever 1. So when the grinding process continues like this, the diameter goes on reducing and the stylus will be in contact because of the spring force, and this lever 1 will move to the new position shown by this dashed line. So this indicator will show the uh, change in the size of the workpiece diameter. When the correct size or the preset size is reached, this lever will move in this direction, and the lever 2 will fall down, and it makes this contact will make a contact over here, and because of this a solenoid will be activated which will withdraw the grinding wheel head in this direction, and the machining process stops. This is how the in-process gauging in mechanical lever with indicator system works. Now we have another type of system which is caliper gauge. You can see in this diagram we have the grinding wheel and then we have the wheel head. Now this caliper system, this is the workpiece and this is the caliper system uh, which is fitted to the wheel head, and this caliper can be swiveled in this direction, and whenever the measurement is required, this can be swinged and it will be in this position. Whenever the measurement is not required, it is uh, it is can be removed from this position. Now this picture shows the details of the caliper gauge. This is the grinding wheel and this is the workpiece to be ground, and this is the caliper, and here there is a anvil which is in contact with the workpiece, and this spindle will move in this direction, vertical direction. So this anvil will be in contact with the workpiece